third on this? Okay.
I hit a fourth on this.
Fourth? Okay. I mean, I hit it. And the one before that, one, I cleared perfectly because I followed you. That shit was nuts. But that second time, alright. I think I shifted in the third too late too. I mean, I didn't land like at the landing, did I?
And give it a little bit more.
Yeah. On that?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
That bike has more than enough power.
Oh yeah, definitely. Alright, bet.
What you did there, just do a little bit faster.
Fast? Yeah, kind of. Oh, this is the first time I've seen someone hit a jump on my bike. It's really not. I just keep landing right there.
Yeah.
And then because I got a slant,
just
I jump up. Yeah.
Just spaghetti it after the jump. As soon as you land, spaghetti it.
What do you mean, like just gas?
Just fucking full throttle.
Alright.
Third.
Alright. Third?
Yeah.
Alright. Flip?
Huh?
I'll flip?
No, you'll clear it.
Oh. Oh yeah, definitely, dude. Definitely. Boom. Like nothing. Oh yeah. Yeah, but he did it better than I did, and he overjumped. I could still clear it in second if I give it enough gas, right? Like say I don't make it to third before the jump.
I wouldn't try.
So if I don't make third before the jump, just like go around. Alright.
And try coming around the corner on third and then not having to shift up at all. I'll have you follow, yeah, I'll have
that corner? Are you sure I won't log out? Like when I go into the turn? Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Well, it's your bike.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, that's littering, asshole.
Hey, what are you talking about? I'll save it for later. I was talking to him. I didn't even see.
Fuck him.
Sorry.
I'm fucking.
I heard you. Like I seen you when you landed over. Like basically when you after you landed, I seen you. All right.
You're fucking.
My flaps, yeah, cause the zip ties broke off, and one of my radiators are bent, so the screw doesn't line up. Bro, I done broke my neck almost with that whiplash from the first one.
Yeah, you know how you went though?
Yeah.
That's when you braked it.
Okay.
You pull your clutch in first. So if you don't land the first one,
yeah.
I wouldn't even try this one unless you're just gonna give it everything else.
Okay. All right.
Like, because you're going like here on your throttle, you need to be like here. Maybe not quite there, but like
Yeah.
at least 3/4, all the way through the bottom. Yeah, don't let off at all.
That was nice. Oh yeah. All right. Let's try again.
I was like, oh shit.
I didn't exactly make the first one, but I made the last one, bro. I just gave it everything. Like, I just straight up gave it everything. Well, I made the first one, I just didn't land it right. So much I saved it because I hit the back brake but a little late. I kind of left that step out. Oh, my calf is starting to cramp because I'm on like imbalance. What?
That's a good guess.
Okay.
I'm at like a quarter tank.
Okay. Alright, so.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Bro. So like when I came around, you seen what I did when I hit that one. And then I hit it pretty good actually, that one. This one I gave it everything. And I went up. And then I realized last second, yeah, if I don't hit the back brake, I'm gonna crash. So instead of pulling in my clutch, I just went for the back brake before it was too late.
You gotta pull the clutch in first.
Alright.
Because if that was like a really
You
hard
slid
zone, you would
from
have
there to there.
Really? Okay.
because you would have landed with the bike off.
Yeah.
Locked up and then hit the next phase.
That makes sense. Okay.
You would have basically done it.
Alright. Well, thank you for showing me how to do that. I achieved it. Are we going with them? Okay, let's go. What up, y'all? We up at this place is called Moon Lake, by the way. Oh wow, look at that. This is Moon Lake. It's got a bunch of hill climbs. Back there, it's like a whole bunch of desert. So it's a good little place to go ripping hit jumps or hill climbs, right? I'm about to hit one right now. Nothing too crazy though, because I haven't even gone over all of them. I'm still learning in progress. But here we go. Gotta send it, boy. Oh no. Where'd he go? Oh, there. Alright, oh wait, what the hell? What's happening? That was dope. Oh, it's like a little. Look at this. Oh, I'm about to go in it. Look at this thing. Oh, okay. Okay. Now this is everything I got. Had that jump, so watch. I'll show you. I'll go in it. That's not a scary place to sit. Yeah.
Really not.
Oh, it is.
I wouldn't go any further that way.
Yeah, you're right.
the bike?
Oh yeah, that's how you do it. He's gonna go with it. Let's see it. Over the bike. She's going. Oh, she's still going. Oh, it's gonna jump. It jumped right over the rock. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. Not trying to go down the hill.
I don't blame you. But I would have started your bike first.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he was right on that one. I should have started first, right? Rookie mistake. I'm a rookie, everyone. Remember that? You know what? You know what? You know what? Pull it out. I'm pulling it out. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. I'm sliding still. Zip tie these back down, dude. I got wings. Man, that's what be carrying me up there. Oh, I'm schizophrenic. I talk to myself. Wait, where's my music? YZ450F. I know that. 250. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, what? Oh yeah, okay. Okay. That was sick, man. Yeah, he definitely knows how to ride.
You're showing off.
Oh yeah. Dude, you gotta give it to him though. That was sick as hell. Whoa.
I could never.
Me either. Popping a wheelie up the whole damn thing. Wow. Dot, dot, dot.
Back, Kyle.
I'm gonna go hit it somewhere. That was a sketchy send-off, bro. I can't lie. Can't even do a wheelie, bro. Just burn out. Alright, you ready? Bro, says some bah. Matthew, this is why we can't have nice things.
This is why I don't have a back tire.
Precisely.
Was it cool?
He's doing a burnout, dude. Oh, he was. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, bro, he's got a... It looks like an oil stain. Bro, RIP back tire. RIP bathroom. Oh, yeah. He is hauling, bro. Oh, it smells like burnt rubber. Oh, yeah.
Was my burnout cool?
Yeah, it smell like burnt rubber now. I wonder why.
Okay, you do one.
This
Dude.
is a brand new tire. I just did one on the asphalt.
Yo, that was sick, man. Oh, now he's got to do it. Brand new tire. You're leaking, bud.
I'm leaking.
It's because I'm overheating.
I wonder why. You should be apologizing to your bike, bro.
I'm sorry, girl.
There you go. Hell yeah.
That was spit, by the way.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, maybe he's hitting another burnout. Oh yeah.
Mine was still cooler. I don't care what you say.
Oh yeah. Yours was way thicker. Oh yeah, dude. His back tire. Bro. I'm surprised it didn't just give out at that point. Dude, that's awesome. Alright, I'm going to tell you. Without the kicks later. Just put it in neutral and make my life easier. It was in second, that's why I wasn't starting. I'll see you later. It's been a good ride. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.